Did you know that aside from your 9 to 5, there are several highly profitable online businesses that you can start with just your phone and your Wi-Fi? No showing your face, no expensive gear. You probably didn't. Let's get into it. Now the fourth one, which is kind of covert because I feel like a lot of people might not know about it, is Pinterest affiliate marketing. Yes, so basically what you're going to do is create faceless pins that link to affiliate products, and you could link these affiliate products in Amazon, Clickbank, Digistore24, there's probably more, and then post 5 or more pins in trending niches. This could be in fitness, fashion, money, finance. Like I said earlier, choose a niche that is highly profitable, and the potential for this is $100 to $2,000 a month with consistent traffic. Do not sleep on this. Now the next one I'm about to mention might not be so popular, but it is called KDP. And what is KDP? Kindle Low Content Book Publishing. You could research and find more about it, but basically what that means is sell faceless journals, planners on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. How to start? Once again, you use Canva to design. Use Canva to design your journals. Use Canva to design aesthetic coloring books that is engaging for children, or gratitude journals. And the next thing you are going to do is sign up on kdp.amazon.com. You're going to upload these books with keywords, and then you promote via Pinterest or Instagram. Once again, that is why you need to have an Instagram theme page or a Pinterest. I personally have a Pinterest for my mood boards and every other thing, and I have another Pinterest specifically for business. And the next one is AI blogging or newsletter with Substack. And I'm going to be honest with you, I did get into blogging and I came across some hurdles and challenges that eventually led me to just give up on it. But I won't say that I've giving up entirely. I'm just keeping it on the side, until I want to focus more on my YouTube channel, or my faceless YouTube channel and this particular YouTube channel, because blogging is going to take a lot of patience and a lot of skill in order to monetize. The next thing we are going to talk about is the tools that you can use with just your phone, and I think I talked about this earlier in the video, but now I'm going to categorize it. For graphic designing, use Canva. For video editing, use CapCut or InShot. For marketing, use Pinterest or Instagram or TikTok. For YouTube automation, use Pictory.ai. And then to actually sell your digital products, use Gumroad, KDP or Payhip. This can change your income game in just a few months. So start today. Bye.